everyone, I am Vivan. Today I will make something interesting craft. It is going to be easy and simple. I am going to make a craft with the waste bottle. So you can watch me making the craft. So let's get started.
So what are the materials that are required?
Waste bottle, scissors, scale and a cardboard and color papers and glue gun. Peel the sticker on the bottle neatly. First take a red color paper.
Mark till that size onto your paper and cut the paper. Once you're done cutting the paper, glue it on one side with the help of a glue gun. Glue gun should be used only and only if an elderly person is assisting the kid. Now, stick the bottle with the help of a glue gun and roll it and stick it on the other end as well.
Take a thick white paper. Take a bottle cap and mark it.
Once you've marked the circle, now we will draw the wings that come in front.
Now cut it. Once you finish cutting, place it on a cap. I am drawing circles. We will cut it. Stick the circles neatly with glue gun.
I have helped him stick with the glue gun. The glue gun should not be given to kids as it is not safe and it's also very hot and it's not for the kids to be used.
Now we will make wings on the plane. Draw and cut 2 wings.
Fold at the spacing that I have shown and now neatly I will be sticking it with the help of a glue gun onto our plane.
Erase the extra pencil marks. Now we will make tail of a aeroplane. After you drawing, you cut it. Stick it onto tail side. I am going to add for decoration smiley stickers on the wings and on a body. Now aeroplane is ready. I love making the aeroplane. I have so much fun to playing with it too. Thank you. the aeroplane. I hope you enjoyed too. Thank you for watching my video. Please do share, subscribe, comment and try this at home.